Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will begin with the Journal of the Database Management System Journal Program 2, database here. So before proceeding with this, let me share the syllabus and what exactly the question it is. Here is the database. Consider the following schema. Schema in the sense we are going to create a different from the schema to the database creation here. We are just having the entity name or the table name along with the attributes. That you have to take the schema and you are supposed to convert it to the respective database here. So before proceeding this, we have the schema name or a database name. It is called as a movie database here. So just a minute. Movie database. Then after that, in this movie database, they will be giving you the different tables. The table names are we have actor, director, movies, movie casting, which means that what will be the role of the respective person. I mean, we can say that who is the leading person, or who is hero, who is heroine, or actor, actress, he is the villain. The normal talks will be there. Okay, so that what which is called as a movie cast, and then rating. Once the movie has been released, and after the watching by all the people here, they will start giving the ratings here. How many ratings? Was that good? Was that bad? Or okay, average? Such kind of ratings has to be given between the values which is called as 1 to 5 here. So today we will begin with the movie database here. Before proceeding this, I have taught you how to create the tables, and just to make you remember that whenever we are going to create a table, we always use the syntax called as create a table followed by the table name and open parenthesis, and after that what this you have to start giving the field name or the column names, whether it is going to be the primary key or foreign key when we say that references here, and make sure that what kind of a data type you have given. So I have already created the table here. Only creation of the tables I have done. So I'll be displaying you what values you are supposed to enter, so that we can be familiar with the this what queries here, what kind of queries we are about to execute. So before entering the values, I'll be reading the entire question or the entire schema of movie database. So we will understand that how the table has to be created and what values are supposed to be taken here, which will be helpful for our query execution here. So just we will begin here. So the first table, and another thing to tell you that the last time what we have done, we had created for the library database. There the question in the question paper, I mean in the question itself, they had not given a sequence wise. I mean, anyhow they have given here. So our normal thing, what we do, just follow the first table, then this is the second table. Here in this movie database, the question itself they have provided for us very easy things that we can go according to this only. The first table we can create as actor. Second table we can create as a director, movies, movie cast and rating. That is not required to apply our own logic that which table will be created, so that it will be helpful for our referencing in the next table. So there is no dilemma to understand the concept which table has to be created from this movie database. The way they have given, we can proceed for this. So your first table, which is called as the actor table, I mean, this actor, you might get confused whether it is actress or actor. Yes, in the actor table, who is going to act, that person you have to take. It is both the things, that is male and female also. Yeah, okay. We say actor, actress, actor kon ahe, actress kon ahe, or we say that hero, heroine. So in this actor table or actor entity, you are supposed to give both the things, that is actor and actress here. So what are the attributes? Let us see. As I have told you that here there is a no confusion, like what is the attribute or what field has to be the primary key. No confusion is that they have given a very proper way which is being underlined. So here act ID, underline it is there, so that you have to take as a string, which means it is a varchar. The varchar only you take, so that we will understand that for actor you can provide the values at A101. So it is a actor 101 here, and actor name act underscore name. Some of the students, what they do, they don't use the this word underscore here. They just go on writing act space name here. So that will not take, whenever you are creating any kind of a table along with the syntax or the statements, you are supposed to take a help of underscore only. In this, we don't have, while creation of the table, we don't have the space here. Okay, just you have to follow the syntax also here. Okay, act underscore name, that is also varchar. Then act gender, whether it is a female or whether male here. Okay, both, because we are working for the actress and actor, both the parties. Yes. So your first table it is done, then second table or second entity, it is called as a director ID. You are supposed to mention the dir ID, which is going to be the primary key, then director name and director phone number here. So for the director table, our primary key is going to work as a director ID. For the actor table, act ID is a primary key. Coming to the next table, which is called as a movies. So in the movies table, we have move ID. I mean, we can say that movie ID, which is a primary key, and it is also varchar. Here we can provide the values as M101, M102, so that it can be easily understood. M101, which means that it is a ID of the movies table here. Okay, then movie underscore title. I mean, you have to give the title of the movie normally, like the Jurassic Park or Adventures of Tintin, or you are this for Sultan Jai, what the movie table name, movie name it is like that here. Okay, and then movie underscore year. You have to tell which year it was released or launched. It was released year of the respective movie, which is going to be the data type as a number. And after that, movie language, what kind of a language it is that. You can mention English, Hindi, Kannada, your choice. But for our easiest reference, I have used only Hindi and English. Okay. And coming to the last attribute of the movie table, it is what director ID, which is going to be the foreign key, which is going to get referred to the table as a director. You are supposed to, which movie is being released by. Normally we say Singham Returns, the movie is being released by the Rohit Shetty. So that who is that person, or what is the ID of that person, that you have to give the director ID. Okay, and the next table it is what movie cast, movie underscore cast here. Make sure that you will create a table as movie underscore cast here. Act ID here, which here you are not supposed to create your own attributes here. We are going to use this word, some referred actor, this word attributes here. Yes, here also act ID, again they have said it is underlined, but make sure that it is not going to be the primary key, it is going to be the foreign key here. Act ID, which is getting referred to the actor table. Movie ID, which is getting referred to the movies table here. And what is the role of that respective actor or actress here. Now suppose Vicky Kaushal, who is acted in this Uri movie here. So you can give the actor's ID, assume that Vicky Kaushal's actor ID is A101, and the movie ID is what, M101, and what kind of a role he has played. We can say that it is a leading role or hero. Okay, so I have the values also. I'll be displaying very soon. Then after that, rating table is available. Inside the rating table, we are having attributes which is called as a movie ID, and then reverse star. Here the movie ID, you will get confused that it is underlined. Yes, it is not a primary key. It is completely this what foreign key, which is going to get referred to the movies table, and which movie, from which movie you are going to give the ratings, that has to be given here. So you can say here M101 and what kind of a rating between 1 to 5 here. So let me read the queries here. Then I'll start working for the what kind of a values you have to take for the all the entities here. I have described now what are the values to be taken for the respective table. Actually, what values will be done once we are, will tell you once we have completed with the this photo regarding the queries here. So your first query is what reads the titles of the all the movies directed by Hitchcock. So here directed by Hitchcock here. Here is the person who is a director. Okay, so director name. So purposely you have to add the director name as Hitchcock also, and director ID. So what they have said, list the titles of all movies directed by the Hitchcock. So you have to come to the point of the what table, movies table, purposely give the Hitchcock ID as a D101, and at least 3 movies he has to release here. So which is being released by Hitchcock. So all movies. And number, if you have 2 movies, it is good. But in the movies table itself, at least you give 2 values for the Hitchcock here. I mean, 2 movies which are getting this what launched or directed by Hitchcock here. Then find the movie names where one or more actors acted in 2 or more movies here. So here also again, now first of all, what they have said, where one or more actors, one actor or more actors acted in 2 or more movies. Take example as this what Alia Bhatt or Salman Khan here. So what happens? You are not supposed to mention only one movie for Salman Khan. What you have to do is that in the actor table, act ID is there. Assume that for the Salman Khan, actor ID is A101, and coming to this what movie cast table, there you have to say in the movies table for Salman Khan, one movie it is Jai Ho, then after that it is the Sultan, and any other movies which are being released by the this what's Salman here, that you have to mention how many in which all movies the Salman Khan has acted. That way you are supposed to provide the this what values here. So I'll tell you here, find the movie names where one or more actors acted in 2 or more movies. What normally we do, we just go on giving the values only for one actor, one movie. Like that we are not supposed to do. You are supposed to take that respective idea of the actor and which is getting acted in 2 or more movies here. So that will come in the movie casting. Getting, so act ID, assume that Salman Khan's actor ID it is 101 and he has acted in M101. And how did he has acted, whether he is a hero or a guest or that kind here. And after that, again, Salman Khan A101 in another movie. That way, your value should be there here. Okay, and then after that, find the titles of movies and the number of stars for each movie that has at least 1 rating, and find the highest number of stars that movie received. Sort the result by the movie title here. So this fourth query I will discuss once the values has been entered. Then after that, list the movie details released in the year 2018. So now what you have to do in the movies table, purposely like 3 movies you can give the values for that movie year in the year 2018. At least 1 movie or 2 movies has to be given for the year 2018 year. And after that, the last query it is what update the rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5 years. So now, first of all, in the director table, one more director you have to create. The first director we have created as a Hitchcock. Assume that he is a D101. Another director we can go on D102, which is a Steven Spielberg. So for that director ID, which is being released by this Steven Spielberg, we can take the help of the director ID here we have seen. So assume that 3 or 2 movies are being released by Steven Spielberg, whose ID is D102. There in the, again, coming to the point here, rating table. So here, which all movies are being released by this Spielberg here, that movie name will be collected over here, rating table. And 2-5 they have said, no? So assume that for the this Steven Spielberg movies, whichever there at the starting values, what we have to enter purposely 3. So that will get converted to what 5 here. Okay, purposely you have to give the 3 here. So that has to be converted to 5 here. So let us begin for inserting the values here, and so we'll share the new screen. Already I have created the table. Just I'll show here what all tables are there. Only for one of the table I have created the mistake. So not to worry. So here is my first table. Create table actor act underscore ID varchar 6. I mean 6 is the size here, and I have mentioned it as a primary key. Followed by the comma, which we are going to have the next attribute here. A name I have given as an actor name. The data type it is what varchar, and 20 I have given because some of the names will be longer here. Then after that, gender varchar 6 here. So in this actor table, you are supposed to give both the things here, like a female and male also. So the next table I have created as a director table, create table director, their underscore ID, which we can call it as a director ID, varchar 6 and the primary key. Of course, because that should not be repeated the values. And as it is required for the movies table also, then followed by the comma, the next attribute is visible. That is a D name, which is a director name I have given, varchar, and 20 I have given purposely because long names are there. Right now, we know two names of the directors, that is Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg here. Make sure that this Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg are going to occur in your database here. Others, you can take your own values here, okay? And then phone number, which we are going to have a 10 digits. So for that purpose, I have given the data type as a number, which is having only numbers. And after that table, movies table it is, and here I have not created it. So create table, movies table is there. For the movies table, we have attributes like a movie ID. I have made it as a short, which is called as an ID. We can understand that movie ID here, which is going to be the varchar here 6 here, and we can give the value as M101, M102, and after that primary key, because it is going to get work for your rating table also as well as the movie cast table, and the title of the movie, like what name of the movie here, varchar 20, because yeah, 20, 25 you can give because a number of movies are there which are very longer. Now it is not there, but if you go back few years, it was very large thing. After that year, in which year the movie has been released. So make sure in the movies table also we are going to give the year as 2018. At least 3 movies we can provide it 2018. As there is a query, list all the movies names which are being released in the year 2018. Yeah. Then after that, going to the point of the language, what kind of a language it is, the data type it is varchar 10 here. For my reference sake, I have used only Hindi and English here. You can provide your own ways also, no problem. Then last year it is what director ID. Yeah, for the movies table we need know who is the director, who has been directed. We say that year. Normally we say Kodi Kadla picture like that way here. So for that year we can use director ID, varchar reference director ID. Now coming to the point again, director ID purposely at least 2 movies of Hitchcock should be there. So and Steven Spielberg also should be there here. Okay. So the next table, director, actor, movies over. So the movie cast had created a mistake, but here I have it. Third table, fourth table, it is for movie cast table. Create table movie underscore cast year. Act underscore ID, varchar. I mean, in the movie table, no, like movie cast, who is the actor, what kind of acting he has done. He is a hero or she is a heroine. So varchar references for the table actor. What you have taken that attribute name, that act ID, and in which movie, that also you have to say references movies here. Now coming to the point here, first of all, in the movies table, you have to create of same actor 3 movies. You can take your favorite actors or actress who all have acted a number of movies. I have taken as Alia Bhatt, so she have acted for 3 movies in the movies table. I don't know the number of movies here, but I can say few. For the Alia Bhatt, we can say Student of the Year. Then after that, Love You Zindagi. 2 movies I got to know. Then after that, coming to this Salman Khan, Jai Ho, Sultan. These are the movies which are being uh, released, I don't know, but Salman Khan has acted in that movie. So in the movie table, what I have to do, I mean, what you have to do, Jai Ho, Salman, and Sultan, two values has to be created. And coming to the movie cast table, now assume that Salman Khan's ID is A101, and he has acted in the Jai Ho. Jai Ho's movie ID is M101, and also he has acted in what another movie which is called the Sultan. M102. So A101, M101, A101, M102. Yes. So Salman Khan has acted in two movies, purposely, two or three movies you can provide here. And the role it is what Varkar. I mean, what kind of a role he has done? Either he is a guest, friend, hero, heroine, any kind here. And make sure that you give the references table here. And the last table is what called as a rating. For the rating table, you have to mention for which movie you're going to give the rating here. So MID. And now in this rating table also, you are supposed to go to the movies table. And before the movies table, you have to go and check the Steven Spielberg movie, director ID of that. So in the movies table, Steven Spielberg's ID, or based on that ID, you have to release 3 movies. Getting assumed that Steven Spielberg's ID is D101. So D101 has to get directed for 3 movies here. Okay, M101, M102, M103 here. Okay, and for that stars you have to do as a 3, 2, 4, not 5. So as a query, they have mentioned that Steven Spielberg, which one movies he has released. For that movies, you have to give the rating star as a 5. So we shall proceed with the values here. So first of all, I'll describe my table as a actor. So here I have name, null. I'm sorry. Type here. My first it is what actor ID. After that, name and gender. So I shall proceed with the insertion of the values. I hope you know the syntax for the insertion of the values. Insert into actor. Sorry, values. So act ID is a varchar. So I have to take single quote act ID. Single quote. After that, ampersand a name. Read the single quote, and after that, a single quote ampersand gender. Okay. I have provided the values for my reference pick. I'll just go on by giving the values here. So for the actor ID, I have taken the value as A101 here. Okay, A101 Salman. Would say that the favorite actor or same for your reference pick. I have given the values here. And then, yes, the one row, one value has got created, one couple has got created. The second value we will proceed A102. Second, what I have taken English actor Liam. Okay, and then male. Third actor A103. Now I have taken this what female Anushka Sharma. Female. Fourth one A104. Yami Gautami, who have acted in this what Puri movie here, as I need for that purpose. Female. Third one, fifth it is what A105. Vicky Kaushal. Male. Next value A106. Again English. Leonardo. Gender male. Next A107. Course Kareena Kapoor. Sorry, female. Last one A108. Awaz, English actress. Female. Okay, so these are the values for my actor table. I'll say commit. I have to save the records. Now I'll say select. Start from actor. Yes, I have received the values for the actor table. These are the A101 Salman, A102 Liam, A103 Anushka. So what you have to do? You have to remember the IDs of these people. And in the movie cast table, A101, in which movie he has acted. Again, A101, again, any other movie he has acted, that you have to say. Okay. Coming to the next table, value, next entity value, I will say director. Right? Director. For the director, we have the fields or the columns as a director ID, director name, and phone number. So I'll start inserting the values with the help of statement. Insert into director values. My first field or the first attribute is director ID, which is varchar. And here you can say that not null, which means specifies that it is a primary key. Repeated values are not occurred. Okay. So dir underscore ID, sorry. Pardon me for the mistakes. Single quote and present rename, which means director name, complete the single quote, comma. And for the phone, what is the data type number? So I'm not interested to give the single quote, just I'll say ampersand phone here. Okay, start providing the values. D101 I'll take. Okay, so D means for directed. The name, as I have told you guys, that the name should be proper. So first of all, we will complete in the queries what they have given here. So I'll go for first it is what Hitchcock itself, because the one of the queries that list all the movies details which are being directed by the Hitchcock. Okay, and phone number new 23344. So one row is created. D102. Second also we will go according to the queries, what the query they have given here. The last queries, it is what update the movies which are being released by Steven Spielberg to 5 rating star. So I'll give the Steven Spielberg, who is Spielberg. Phone number give here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So Steven Spielberg director ID is D102. Hitchcock director ID is what? 101 here. D101. Now let us give all our what Hindi values. So D103. I don't know much, so I'll say Karan Johar. 00996655 444. Okay. The next it is what? D104. Rohit Shetty. Phone number 6633997722. After that, sorry, D105. Aditya Dhawan, I guess. I am not sure of the Uri movies. So I'll say D. 9900223377. Next, D106. Aditya Chopra. Anyhow, I given the values. Okay, so sufficient for me 36 values. Now let us see what other values has been taken for the director table by using the syntax called as a select star director. So these are the tables. So for starting itself, I have taken Hitchcock D101, Steven Spielberg D102. So now what you have to do in the movies table, at least 3 values of Hitchcock director ID you have to do, and 3 values for the Steven Spielberg. At least more than 1. Okay. So let us start inserting the values for the movies table. Before proceeding for the movies table, I'll say describe movies. So for the movies table, we have an ID, which is going to be the movie ID. M title, which is going to be the title or the name of the movie, in which year it has got released, and after that, what is the language? English, Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, and director ID. Who has directed that movie? So make sure at the starting itself, finish that. D101 come, D102 also. Yes. So let us start inserting the values for that. I'll say insert into movies values, single quote, unpresent ID, complete, single quote, unpresent title, complete, and unpresent, not single quote, unpresent year, complete, single quote, unpresent language, complete the single quote, comma, single quote, unpresent, sorry, director ID, yes. And remember that director ID 101 and 102 has to be inserted 3 times or 2 times repeated in this table itself. So I'll start inserting. I'm 101. So for the title, okay, let us go Adventures of Tintin. Please pardon me, some not that movies I know. End of it is there. 2018 only I'll provide, because we are supposed to find out which all movies are being released in the year 2018. Language, this is the English movie. And you Harry Potter also your own movie names also, okay? And I have told you that the at least Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg has to be given here. So I'll go for the Hitchcock here, D101. So one movie has been given by, what happened? Yeah, the syntax has been error here, string not properly ended here. So I have to give here completely. Let's go back as I'll use the statement. Yeah, not going to type entire, just I'll complete. I'll go on providing the values which are being already given. Adventures of Tintin 2018. Vector is what? One row created. Next row and next value again M102. Okay. Jurassic Park. Year 2017. Next I'll come for the 2018. So this also Hitchcock itself D101. Oh, I'll get the error. Extremely sorry, I have not provided the. Oh my God. Now what I have to do? Okay, no problem. I'll just first of all I'll insert all the values. Then we will work out to the this one update here. Okay. So just remember M102. It's not completed. I mean some of the values are there, but missing values are there. So it's okay. I'll proceed for the M103 because my statement is already there for the insert here. So I'll say 103. Okay. The title, it is what? Small Soldiers. I'll go this, which is being directed by the Steven Spielberg. Okay. 2018. So two movies are being launched. Adventures of Tintin and Small Soldiers. Language is English only. Director ID, I'll go with the Steven Spielberg, who is director ID is 102. Yeah. My third movie has created. Fourth movie we shall proceed. Family plot, English movie. Year 2018. No, 2015. No problem. English. Director ID B102. Steven Spielberg. By Steven Spielberg, two movies are being created. That is the M103, M104 here. One more we can go. Or Hitchcock will go. Okay. So M105, Lifeboat. Year 2018. Language English. Director ID Hitchcock B101. So three movies are being directed by the Hitchcock and three movies are being released in the year 2018 here. Okay. So now we'll go further Hindi here. No problem. M105 over M106. My first actor was Salman. No? So Salman's movie I'll go on. Jai Ho. Year 2018. Language Hindi. Director ID. Who has done that? Rohit Shetty. He was D101 was Hitchcock, Steven Spielberg D102, Karan Johar D103, and Rohit Shetty is D104. Okay, D104. Once again, I'll create M107 of Salman Khan. So I'll create Sultan. You'll understand that Salman Khan has acted in Jai Ho and Sultan, which is M106 and M107. As we want that values in the movie cast table. So Sultan is done. That is got released in the year 2017. Normal. Hindi. Yes, director ID. I will use this D105. Chalega. Any other? I don't know who is exactly. Please pardon me. And next it is 2 movies are being done by Sultan here. I mean Salman Khan. Okay. We can give anyhow. We can use that values for the movie cast also. But I'm sure that some of the people will get repeated. We will go for Anushka Sharma's movie. 108. Okay. PK. The year 2018. Not sure. Hindi. Director ID. Not sure. D10. 6 is there or what? I hope so. Yeah, it is there. D106 is also there. One more we will create for Anushka Sharma has acted in Sultan also and PK also. तो हो जाएगा वहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम. M109 we will go. Uri, we'll go for the Uri also now. Okay, year 2019, 24th January 2019 it was released. And the language it is of course Hindi. Director ID Aditya D. Okay, D104. Sorry, 5. 110. Watson. So I'll go for Harry Potter. Not sure. Year. Of course, it is my generation 2000. Sorry, 2010. Okay, no worries. Language English. Director ID D103. I will say. 111. 11th movie I'll take. Any other? Yeah, me has acted in Uri also as well as this what? Oh, okay, Razi. For the year 2019 Hindi. D104. Last movie. 2. Title. Also over. Vicky Donor. The year 2014. D106. Okay. Yeah. So I'll say commit. Select. Start from movies. Well, was created. Okay. So just remember, guys, here which are being given by the Steven Spielberg and Hitchcock. Yeah. One more thing I forgot to tell you. Extremely sorry. Let us update the movie M102, where I have to give the values properly. I have to give for the year language also as well as the director ID also. So I'll say update is set. What all things I have to give language and director ID. equal to English. One more, director ID equal to D101, I guess one. I am not sure. Was where DMID equal to M102. One row is updated. What did I do? That I have changed the language. I mean, for the language, it was D101. So I have to give the Hindi. So I have given there. So I'll just say, so let's start from movies. Now let us see. Yeah, completely correct. So M101, D101, Hitchcock. Again, Hitchcock is available here. And 3 movies are being released by Hitchcock here. After that, Steven Spielberg. For the Steven Spielberg, one movie, which is M103, which is M104. And 2 movies are there. That is 103, 104 should be given in the rating table as 2 here. I mean 2, 3 here for M103 and for M104 here. Okay. Other things you can remember that. Let us go from here. Jai Ho 106, 107 for Salman Khan we have to give. And after that, anyhow you can take it, but at least make sure remember that water. So for the Uri 109 and for the Vicky Dollar M112, for the Yami Gautami we have to check what is the actress ID here. And of course, Uri and Razi M109, M11 here. That also we need for the Vicky Kaushal. You should understand how that is going to work out. So let us see, first of all, select the star from actor. Okay. So with that, we can remember A101 is Salman, A103 Anushka, and after Sultan and PK. Okay. A104 Yami, that is Uri and Vicky Dollar. A105 Vicky Kaushal, that is Uri and Razi. And A106, you can give anyhow, A107 anyhow. But at least make sure that A101, 103 and course you can give 102 also, no problem. At least actor should be repeated in the movies here. Okay, different movies here. Same actor should be repeated in the different movies here. So that we can provide here. So before inserting the values for this year, describe movie cast. So 2, 3 things are there. Actor ID and ID role here. Let us start inserting the values. Insert into movie cast values. Present act ID. MID. After that, role. What kind of a role you want? Either hero, heroine, guest, friend, anything. So I have given anyhow my ideas I have given. Please pardon me all these values. Actor ID. Let us proceed for the Salman Khan itself. Which movie he has acted. You can have a values with you people in your notebook. I'm not sure in which movie he has acted. A101 it is there. So I have to find out in the movies, that is Jai Ho and Sultan. So I have to give for 106, 107 here. 106 and 107. So हमारे काम हो जाएगा. And 106 role hero. One more we will create by his name only. A10 and 107 here. In the 2 movies he has acted now. See here. Salman Khan in one movie, A101. Salman Khan in another, A101 in 106 here. One movie. Another movie, that is the M107. Okay. Of course, hero. So by Salman Khan's 2 names has been created. Immediately we will work out for the Anushka also, so that it will be helpful for us for the query itself. Anushka's ID is 103 and she has acted in what movies? Sultan and this what PK. So Sultan is 107 and 108 is PK. So just remember 107 and 108 we are supposed to provide here. Heroine only. Okay. Anushka's ID was 103, I guess. Yeah. A103. M107. M108. Sorry. In a hurry. Heroine. One more. A103. M108. Again, heroine. Things are being done. Now I'll take some other. A102. M101. Roll or 0 only. A 106. 103. Next. Eight. Harry Potter movie. See how I'm scrolling up so that you have to take, you should have a reference in your book so that it will be helpful for you what values you have written and for whom you have to give here. I want to give for the Harry Potter, that is M110. I've written, but I'm not sure like what values are being shuffled in my notebook in this table here. What was that? M110? Harry Potter and the heroine. Why? Movie it is not there. Oh my God. And when 0 is there, we have to find out for the actor side. Oh, yeah. 108 we had taken. I have not taken as this what A108. For that purpose, it is being received error. No worry, we will give this what 108, not a problem. Say only 108 and 110. What was that? Heroine only, no? That ID. Shall proceed for the Vicky Kaushal and Yami. Movies also we will find out, okay? So movies are being done. So we shall proceed. First of all, I'll go for the Yami Gautami A104. In first movie M109, that is Uri, heroine. That one I'll create by Yami only A104. Another movie that is a Vicky Donor M112. Role as heroine only. For that we'll go for the Vicky Kaushal. The ID for the Vicky Kaushal is A105. ID it is what Uri, that is M109. Hero. Another movie by his name A105. Another movie name, it is what Strazi M111. That hero. You can say what? Now I can create anyhow I want. A107. And for movie, I will say M105. Role as villain. Let's have this also. Right. A103. M106. One more villain we will create. Sufficient for me. Select star from who is that movie cast? Which table? Movie cast. Yeah, these are the tables are done. Now the last table, it is what rating table. Here for the rating, we are supposed to take movies help. So, and director we know very well, Hitchcock is the 101 and Steven Spielberg is the 102. Yes, so I'll say now select star from movies here. So here guys, first of all, we will finish till 105. That we will go on putting as a 3, 2, 1. Okay, so till M105 we will go on putting at least 105. Till there we need the values here. Describe rating. So only two are there. That is a movie ID and ratings here. Okay, so from first movie, that is M1012, M105. That you can give the ratings in the 5. So that will be updated with help of mention query. Update the movies which are being released by the Steven Spielberg to 5. Okay, so I'll just say insert into rating. Single quote ampersand and ID. Ampersand. No, that was a number. Star. So I'll just say M1013. Why? Okay, values I have not given. You're always in a hurry. You don't do that. M1013. M102. 4. M103. 2. M104. 4. M105. 3. M106. 5. After that, M107. 3. That M108. 5. M109. 4. M1010. 4. M11. 5. M112. 3. Okay, so these are the values to be done. Select star from rating. Okay, so these are the values I have done. Today it is sufficient for us. You have to create for the lab tables and the values has to be inserted. The queries will be uploaded for the next video. Till then, have a look for this. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you.